I grew up working at AMPG, and I couldn't think of a better place to have started my career.
AMPG is a special place. It's about growth, it's about opportunity, it's about growing our people, it's about enhancing the lives of our customers.
AMPG's mission is really to continually expand the product lines that we play in. Fasteners and industrial components and power transmission. And for most businesses, they're looking to make their business simpler. Lean down the product line, they make fewer items, they only want to make the items that sell a lot. We are completely opposite. We are only interested in making the smaller items and continually expanding that for stuff that just doesn't exist. If you're using new technology to develop new items all the time, we really feel that that's an exciting thing.
Most small companies have a, let's say, micromanaging style. So the owner tells everyone what to do, and the next level of management does the same. They tell everyone what to do. Not the case at AMPG.
AMPG thinks that we should be an employer of choice because we are really most interested in every employee attaining their potential. We don't really look at what can you do for us. We really look at what can we offer you as an opportunity. My feeling has been that America is broken in many ways, and one of those ways is that the only way for people to advance and to make a good living was to go to college and become an accountant or something like that, and there was really nowhere for people who were smart and liked to make things with their hands to really be able to get paid for what they do. We've made it our mission to present a place that will happen.
They really allow you to be who you are and come up with ideas that help the efficiency and processes around the shop.
For us, it's not good enough that we're very good at what we do. How do we become better? How do we separate ourselves from the next guy?
At AMPG, we've always prioritized the health and well-being of all of our employees. We do that in many ways, but the initiative that we're starting now and that we're most excited about is that we've hired a nurse practitioner and a medical assistant through Community Health, and we are going to be giving free health care to all our employees, their families, and their children in our medical suite that we just finished up.
Being a family health business enables us to manage differently, treat our employees differently, and invest in projects different than if we were owned by a private equity or a corporate entity.
This is the first job that I've ever had that I can't think of a single morning I did not want to come in. The culture here at AMPG, it's like the biggest, craziest family you could think of. We've got people from all over the world that have been working together for dozens of years.
I've worked many different places, and the culture here is accepting, they're welcoming, they're warm, they're family owned, and that is very important to me because I feel like I belong here.
The attitude that we see people carry, whether it be management or people at the same level as you, everyone seems to have a very positive attitude about them, about how we can do better every day, and your input is taken into account with everything. If you have great ideas, they'll listen.
You don't want to just feel like I'm a number, like I'm just pushing buttons, or I'm just, part of this big machine. You want to feel like you're part of something special. You want to feel like you have the opportunity to grow. If you come in with that mindset, you're going to do well here.
Most people say that their culture that they have at their company is great. Certainly, if you're considering working anywhere, it's really hard to know about that because everyone says the same thing. We built a different kind of company and we have a different kind of culture.
We focus so much on our people's work-life balance because when they're here, they give us 100%. So when they're out of here, we want to make sure that we support that we respect that. If you are someone who wants to feel like you're making a difference, you should work for AMPG.